Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking the blind type and visible damage, because knowing whether it's roller, Venetian, or vertical determines the parts and approach. Once done, remove any loose slats or the bottom rail to expose the mechanism. Take photos for reference so you can reassemble correctly. Make sure to support the blind while loosening brackets and keep screws in a small container. This first inspection saves time. Repair decisions follow from what you find, not from guesswork. Now you carefully disassemble the headrail or cassette to access the internal parts. This is where most failures hide. Once exposed, check for worn gears, loose or kinked cords, and debris obstructing the roller. Replace frayed cords or bent slats as needed. If gears are stripped, swap the mechanism. If the roller tube is misaligned, reposition the bearings and tighten mounting screws. Make sure to work methodically and keep parts organized so reassembly is straightforward. Finish by reassembling the blind carefully, threading cords through their guides, and seating the roller or slats into brackets. Then test the full travel multiple times so you catch binding or imbalance early. If movement is sticky, apply a small amount of silicone or dry lubricant to bearings and pivot points, then retest. One key troubleshooting tip: if the blind still won't operate smoothly, inspect cord alignment and replace the cord or ladder tape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.